Now to the latest on the pandemic. Florida shooting past 6,000 new cases today. That's the highest daily increase since August 15th statewide. The positivity rate is just above 6%. 39 new deaths were reported. Of those new cases, nearly 1,400 were from Miami-Dade. The positivity rate in the county is now at 6.85%. No new deaths were announced.
And Broward County reporting 803 new infections, leaving the county's positivity rate at 6.36%. 8 more people have died. And Palm Beach County saw a spike of 458 new cases with 2 new deaths. The positivity rate is at 7.19%, and Monroe County had 51 new cases. But with no new deaths countywide, the positivity rate is at 10%. And we're getting an expert opinion here to this sudden spike.
Local 10's MIAMI-DADE is live to tell us what top doctors are saying about it. Amy.
Well, Nicole and Calvin, infectious disease experts are saying this is a critical moment in our fight against COVID-19. They're adamant that right now it is a fight we are losing.
All I know is the numbers just keep going up.
We're just trying to be safe by wearing masks and eating outdoors, but we're still trying to live our lives.
In Florida, more than 6,000 new cases of COVID-19 Thursday. In South Florida, the positivity rate among those tested over 6%.
And that is the upward trend that we're seeing. And it's really not good.
Infectious disease doctor Eileen Marty says the situation here and across the country is grim.
Over the last 7 days, there's been over a 20% increase in the numbers of cases. We've seen a nearly 7% increase in deaths.
According to Dr. Marty, that is the fastest increase since the pandemic hit the U.S. In Florida, she says community spread continues, making it hard to track the virus or slow it down.
That means that it's an out-of-control situation.
People we spoke to say they continue to do their part by wearing masks.
When it's going to end is when we do our part, and the mask for me is very important.
Many hoping once the election is behind us, everyone can finally work together to defeat COVID-19.
It's time now that we really focus on what makes it better for us all.
And some troubling context. Dr. Marty says up to 50% of those hospitalized for COVID-19 are suffering long-term serious health complications. She believes unified leadership with clear guidelines will be essential to getting control of this pandemic, and we have a ways to go. We're live at Jackson Memorial Hospital. MIAMI-DADE, Local 10 News.